So before you start the basic proportionality theorem, look at here, two triangles ABC and DEF are similar if the corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding sides ratio of the corresponding sides are proportional. Suppose there is a triangle here ABC DEF. Corresponding angles are equal, means A will be equal to D, B will be equal to E, C will be equal to F. Okay, then this is first point. Second point is ratio of the corresponding side AB by DE, BC by EF, BC by EF, AC by DF. These two concepts always will keep in our mind. Now we'll discuss more in the next article. Now see what is called basic proportionality theorem. State and prove. Basic proportionality. That is Hale's theorem. See the question. You will get a question to prove it. So you have to remember the statement. That in any triangle a line drawn parallel to one side divides other two sides on the two sides in the same ratio. Okay, so figure. I have to draw a triangle here. ABC triangle. Here is XY parallel to BC. In a triangle, a line drawn parallel to one side XY. This is figure. Then given XY parallel to BC. This is your X point, This is your y point. Divides other two sides in the same ratio. Means ax by xb. To prove ax by xb, ax by xb, ay by yc. Okay. So statement figure given to prove then construction. Construction is draw xd perpendicular, xd perpendicular to AC line, xd perpendicular to AC line, yf perpendicular, yf perpendicular to AB line. Then join by hc. Okay, this construction you have to remember. Okay, now area of triangle. Proof. Area of, look at here, AXY triangle. You have to observe here, AXY triangle में YF is perpendicular. Okay, so YF is perpendicular, so you have to take again one more triangle, this one. That is area of BXY triangle equals to how much? To understand this, I will copy the triangle here. Look at AXY, this is perpendicular, YF. What is area of triangle? Half base into height. Half base means AX into height is YF. Okay, to BXY, look at here, BXY triangle. This is X, this is Y, this is B. This is obtuse triangle. So इसका height will be outside. Acute triangle height is inside. Obtuse triangle height is outside. That is how much? YF. So this is your base, this is your height. That is how, this is your base, obtuse triangle. This is your base, this is your height. Look at here, this triangle height is outside. So half base, which one is base here? Now BX is base, YF is height. So half cancelled, YF cancelled. So what did you get? You are getting area of AXY triangle by area of BXY triangle, that is AX by BX. Say equation number 1. We have taken this side, now we will go to that side. That side means again you take area of AXY triangle, CXY triangle, CXY triangle. Let me copy here AXY, AXY, xy. This is your height. So what will be area of this? Half base into height. So half ay into xd by cxy triangle. Look at here. This is your triangle. XYC. Okay, this is obtuse angle, means the height is outside. XD is here. XD is the height for this triangle, which is outside. So half, this will be, which one is base? This will be base, this will be height. Look at, this is base. On the base there is height. So on the base there will be height. So half CY or YC can write, into height is XD. So half of cancel, XD cancel. So what did you get? Therefore area of AXY triangle by area of CXY triangle, AY by YC. This is your second equation. But you want to prove AX by XB equals to AY by YC. To prove these two are equal, you have to prove these two are equal. If this become equal, then this will be equal. Look at here, this AXY already equal. Only you have to prove CXY equals to BXY. How to prove? Look at, you have studied in class 10. Triangles on the same base and between two parallel sides have equal area. इसका meaning I have to tell you. So to make that clear, I just drop this part. This is what I have to tell you. Triangle on the same base. Base is XY. On the same base, you can write here XY between two parallel sides. Two parallel sides, let me write here. Which are parallel side? XY parallel BC. Have equal area. That means these two are parallel. This is the base, because this triangle में, ये triangle में XY base और ये triangle में XY भी base. That means area of BXY equals to area of CXY. So implies area of BXY triangle equals to area of CXY triangle. This is our equation number 1. Already I have done. Area of AXY by area of BXY triangle is AX by XB. Again you proved area of AXY by CXY. You proved AY by YC. Between these two already AXY same. Now you proved BXY equals to CXY. That means these two became equal. Therefore right hand side will be equal. So taking 1 and 2, taking equation number 1 and 2, you find AX by XB, AY by YC. Let's do two small questions on this, then we will go to other one. Look, in a triangle ABC, PQ parallel to BC. If suppose given to you, sometimes not given also. This is given you 4 centimeters. This is given you 3 centimeters. This is given you 2.5 centimeters. This is not given. AP equals to 4 centimeter. PB equals to 3 centimeter. AQ equals to 2.5 centimeter. Find QC. This is your question. Okay. So how to find? You draw a triangle is given to you. So PQ parallel to BC. What will be formula? PQ parallel to BC. Start from PQ का opposite point से. AP by PB. AP by PB. AQ by QC. Okay, very good करो. 4 by 3. 2.5 by QC. So how to find? Do cross multiplication. This will go here. 4 into QC. 2.5 into 3. 4 into QC. This is almost 7.5. QC equals to 7.5 by 4. Divide करो. 4 1 जा 4. 3 5. 4 9 जा 4 8 जा 32. 32. 3 0 7. Almost centimeter. 175 will come. If you divide, you will get this. Okay. Now look at another question. In PQR triangle, XY parallel to QR. If XY PX equals to 4 centimeter, PQ equals to 6 centimeter, then PY equals to 2 centimeter, find YR. Look, PQR, XY parallel, XY parallel. What is given? PX 4. PQ, look at here. PQ given means Total is given. This is 6. This total is 6. This is 4. So this part will be how much? 6 minus 4. If this total is 6, this is 4, this will be 6 minus 4, 2. This is given you 2 centimeter. This you have to find out. So write down same thing. PXY parallel QR implies PX by XQ PY by YR. So 4 by 2 equals to 2 by YR. This is cancelled here 2. तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करो. 2 into YR equals to 2. YR equals to 2 by 2, that is 1 centimeter. Okay. Now question is find the value of x from the given figure. There is a triangle here. This is parallel. This is ABC. This is XY. This is given. Okay, you are given this is x plus 1. This is 2x minus 1. Which part? This part. This is given you 2. This is given you 3. So outline formula directly लिखो. What do you get? You'll get XY parallel BC. So AX by XB, AY by YC. Okay, put the values. X how much? X plus 1 by 2x minus 1 is 2 by 3. Okay, then how to solve? Cross multiplication. This will go here, this will go here. 3 into x plus 1, 2 into 2x minus 1. 3x plus 3, 4x minus 2. Like term one side, x one side. 3x minus 4x minus 2 minus 3. Minus x equals to minus 5. Cancel here. X is equal to 5. So like this, there are so many questions given in your textbook. You go to page number 6.2, question number 1 and 2. complete his homework. Exercise 6.2, question number 1, 8, question number 2 you try. Okay, we'll do one more theorem, that is converse of basic proportionality theorem. Converse of basic proportionality theorem. What is the statement? Look at here. If any line drawn to a triangle divides its two sides in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to third side. Okay, then its figure. Any triangle ABC given, suppose you have drawn any line, this is xy, but you are not told that this is parallel. Any line drawn. Previous question, it was parallel to BC. Now any line drawn, but given divides its two sides in the same ratio, means given AX by XB, AX by XB, AY by YC. This is given to us. Given AX by XB, AY by YC. Then you have to prove XY is parallel to BC. To prove XY parallel to BC. As a construction. Let XY is not parallel to BC. Suppose ये parallel नहीं है, then draw XD parallel to BC. This one. XD parallel to BC. Suppose. Then you have to forget this line now. अगर ये parallel है, then proof by DPT, basic proportionality theorem, XD parallel BC हो गया. Then फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? AX by XB, AX by XB equals to AD by BC, AD by BC. This is equation number 2. Given is equation number 1. So AX by XB, AD by BC, AY by DC. These two are equal, so these two will be equal. So taking 1 into, taking 1 into, what will you get? Now AD by DC equals to AY by YC. AD by DC, AY by YC. Okay, adding one to both the sides. So if you add 1, what will you get? Here, AD by DC plus 1, AY by YC plus 1. Adding 1 to both the sides. 1 have added. So what is LCM? DC LCM. AD plus DC, AY plus YC by YC. So what is AD plus DC? AD plus DC will be AC. This is AC by DC. AY, look, AY plus YC. AY plus YC. That is also AC. AC by YC. Okay. Now AC cancel. What is find? What did you find? DC is equal to YC. Implies DC equals to YC. Look at the diagram here. DC and YC. Look at DC this part. This is longer. This is shorter here. How can these two be same? DC and YC will be same if D and Y are same point. This is possible if D and Y are same point. सेम पॉइंट होने से क्या होगा? दैट मीन्स यू wrote XD parallel BC you have taken, implies D and Y are same. तो D की जगह पर Y लिखो, XY parallel BC. Proved. So more question will do tomorrow.